Good day, children. Today we are going to see some of the interesting topics in addition. Today we are going to learn about addition, terms of addition, rules of addition, and adding bigger number. Let's recollect what do you mean by addition. The process of combining collection of objects together into larger collection is called addition. Here in this example, you have 5 red apples combined with 3 green apples gives you what? Yes, gives you 8 collection of apples. Terms of addition. When you add two numbers, you get a sum. The numbers that we add are called addends and the answer or the total is called the sum. In this example, we add 21 and 52. The number 21 and 52 are called addends and the answer 73 is called the sum. Rules for addition. Rule 1. When you change the order of numbers being added, the sum does not change. For example, when you add 12 plus 3 or 3 plus 12, the answer will be the same. Rule 2. The sum of any number and 0 is that the same number. It is the identity property. That is, for example, when 1 is added to 0, the answer will be 1. Or 0 added to 1, the answer will be the same number, that is 1. Adding bigger number. Adding bigger number is a lot like adding 3-digit numbers. Start with the ones, then move on to the tens, hundreds and so on. Here we are going to add 6000 and 1245 without regrouping. The first step will be add the ones. 2 plus 6 gives you 8 ones. Step 2. Add the tens. 9 plus 0 gives you 9 tens. Step 3. Add the hundreds. 3 plus 1 gives you 4 hundreds. Step 4. Add the thousands. 2 plus 5 gives you 7 thousands. So your answer will be 7245. Your next example will be adding with regrouping. When you add two numbers and if you get a carryover, the regrouping takes place. How to find the sum? We are going to add 4090 with 2875. Start with the ones, then move on to the tens, hundreds and so on. Step 1. Add the ones. You have 4 plus 6 gives you 10. 0 will be in ones place and 1 will be in the tens place. Step 2. Add the tens. 1 plus 1 plus 8 gives you 10. 0 is in tens place and 1 will be in the hundreds place. Step 3. Add the hundreds. 1 plus 3 plus 8 gives you 12. 2 will be in hundreds place and 1 will be taken to the thousands place. Step 4. Add the thousands. 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives you 6 thousands. So finally your answer will be 6965. Let's recap some of the terms we have learned today. The sum of 0 and any number is the same number. When you change the order of numbers being added, the sum does not change. The answer in addition is called the sum or total. Addition is combining a number to another number. Thank you, my dear children. Let's all meet in the next class.